Q&A Monday. Welcome. Today's question is from Sarah.
Sarah, fantastic question. Thanks so much for it. Drum roll. How do you style your kitchen for sale?
We actually get this quite often. It's one of the easiest rooms, but people find it really tricky. So let's dive in. What will be your first tip?
I would say tip number 1 is remove absolutely everything. Okay? Everything, your appliances, your,
Not your fridge though.
not your fridge, so keep your white goods. Microwave you can keep unless your microwave is taking up most of your bench space. Remember, in kitchens, bench space sells.
Yes.
Can't say that quick, but so if you have a very big microwave sitting on most of your bench space, I would say at least for open homes, put it away.
Yeah.
Or put it in your garage. And everything else removed. Magnets from your fridge, beautiful kids' pictures, removed. Just a blank canvas. So imagine when you moved into your property, it should look the same. Yeah.
No tea towels and no dry racks for your dirty dishes.
Yeah.
Okay. Clean everything. Like that includes your oven. Buyers are going to come and they're going to open your oven. They're going to open the dishwasher. Make sure it's really clean because if I open an oven and my hands are so sticky the rest of the time in the property, I probably won't even bother buying that property, even though it's something I can clean.
Yeah.
So I don't give them a reason to put them off. So clean everything.
And make sure that you actually put your dishwasher on the wash cycle the night before so that they don't actually open and dirty dishes with bad smells in there.
Have an empty dishwasher.
Empty.
Probably best. And then focus on 2 to 3 areas in your kitchen. So if you stand outside your kitchen looking in, you want to actually place some accessories and things on the back of your kitchen. The reason for that is you're going to create a focal point, but it also draws the eye in, which makes your kitchen feel more spacious and bigger. So,
and if you have an island or you have, maybe an L-shaped kitchen and you've got one section of your bench open, you can always do a nice bowl of Granny Smith apples, kind of a beautiful green pop of color, or...
Well, let's talk about accessories. Yeah. It's really easy. Okay, a wired basket from any homeware store. Literally, you don't have to spend a lot of money on this.
Yeah.
As you said, apples, or I preferably like lemons and limes. They last long. They have a beautiful flavor. And that you just place on your island bench or on the space closer to areas coming into your kitchen. Yeah. You don't want something too high because you want people to look into your kitchen.
Yeah.
So then at the back, maybe one corner can be, what do we normally use?
Oh, we can do a cookbook with maybe rolled up tea towels and some wooden spoons kind of in an X-way, crisscross on top of the tea towels with a little basil plant next to it.
But cookbook, make sure it's a hardcover. Not one of these flip-floppy things that just hangs over. Hardcover. Okay, they look nice. And the other corner, if you have some pasta, jars that's in the cupboard and they look pretty good, get them out, or even sugar and coffee holders that you can use. Place 2 or 3 together. And that's it. You don't have to do too much. Just bits and pieces. You don't want to overclutter the space either. Yeah,
we'll share a couple of links to videos that we've done and, a couple of options or ideas that you can do to style your kitchen.
Yeah, and send us your photos when you're done styling your kitchen for some inspiration to share around. We'll like to see that.
Yep. Thanks, guys.
All right.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
I've been super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's all right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.